So Jersey Mike's is expanding across the United States. We almost have 3,000 stores currently, and we're looking to hit that mark. We are still privately owned, and what we're looking for in real estate is pretty basic. 1,200 square feet is our fine, our sweet spot where we want to be, but we can go up, we can go down. We're looking for a lot of grocery acreage centers, great visibility, prefer an end cap. We've done some drive-throughs, but we're finding that accuracy in the drive-through is not as good. So can you get to it and can you park? Parking is a huge thing in retail. If you can't park a site, people don't want to go there. They don't want complexity. They don't have to park around the corner. They want to be in and out super fast. We love neighborhood centers, and bring us your sites in all US and Canada. Absolutely. Well, not only is our product super fresh because we slice, we bake everything. We bake our bread in-house. We bake our cookies in-house. And it's our people. The people of Jersey Mike's there's a really big culture. It's really drinking from the Kool-Aid. And as their broker, previously I drank from the Kool-Aid like crazy because of the way they treat their people. Peter 𝗘𝗧𝗧𝗘𝗥 still has, that's our founder. He still has his hands on every single deal. He looks through every single deal, 3,000 stores, every single deal, because he cares about his people. It depends on the population. 1 mile, we'll look at it, preferably like in markets like Utah. 3 miles is our thing. We do drive time analysis. We also do cannibalization studies to see what this store may do to this store. And the thing about that now is third-party delivery reaches way beyond that footprint of a store. So taking that into consideration, something I never thought about as a bricks and mortar broker. And now we have to think about that. What's Grubhub doing? What's Uber Eats doing? And from this store, and if we put this store here, drive time is far enough away, but third-party delivery is not. Absolutely, because we use cell phone tracking as well as like our shore points, like when you sign up for us, where you're purchasing from. So they're pretty dang accurate. Placer, I only use Placer on like bigger box stuff. I feel like it was okay, but I don't know. I think they were only tracking by cell phone pings, where we're tracking by zip codes and personal numbers. A lot. Our AUV is 1.3.
Like, is that you start down like 3-4 million?
I have no comment. Yeah. We do have some standalones. One example is in Saratoga Springs. It is a freestanding. It's also a drive-through, and we actually love this story right now. We beat Jimmy John's out of that site. How? We took a catering box to them, and they realized how good our product was. Bible. I swear that story is true. Yeah. 20%. Online since COVID and it's taken off, and now people just want that. And it's a pretty rigorous to get a franchise, because the quality of people is huge for us. Like, you have to be behind the counter. You have to know what your people are doing, and that's why stores are good. Well, it depends on my state. So in our Dakotas, it's very expensive because finding contractors is really difficult. Yeah. So to tell you a price would be too fast. Once in a while, they typically don't pencil for us, especially in today's climate. My sub, well, it depends. Probably a 7, hollow the bread, add banana peppers,